Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to use a Reroll Monopoly Go. So to get rerolls or to use a Reroll Monopoly Go, you have to follow these steps. So there are several ways of getting more rerolls when playing Monopoly Go. So now as you progress on a tournament or milestone event, you will get a dice as a reward on several checkpoints. Now you can know what the next reward is by going into the event window and tapping into the gift icon. If you scroll enough points during a tournament and get a good position on the leaderboard, you will also get a great amount of dice rolls among your prize. Now some of the methods that involves using or getting reroll Monopoly Go is that some of the reward you can get from completing the quick wins mission are dice rolls. You can also check this on the bottom left of the main screen next to the landmark icon. And every time you start the first session of the day, you will get a reward and at the same time progress on the bar to get even more prizes. While playing the community chest mini game will grant you cash every time you help one of the friends open the chest. You will get 10 dice as a reward, and you can either claim the dice right away on the friend section or you can save them for later. And likewise, if you have duplicate stickers, you can not only trade with them other players but also exchange them using the sticker for reward. You can access the album and tap on the save box on the bottom right hand side corner to see how many dice rolls you can get. So every time you invite a friend to join Monopoly Go, you will get a dice roll as a reward, and keep it in mind, for this to work, the friend has to be installing the game and create an account for the first time ever. So these are some of the methods on how you can use or get the reroll Monopoly Go. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.